We're back with the ultimate guide to buying property in Greece. Part 2 this time. If you haven't seen part 1, we definitely recommend watching that first. We've included a link in the description below where we cover steps 1 to 4 from the start of your search for your home until you reach a deal with the seller. So in this video, we pick up where we left off, and we'll focus on the perhaps not so exciting but absolutely crucial, if not the most important parts of purchasing a home in Greece: the paperwork. We'll start at step 5 of the process, legal due diligence. Do not skip this step. This is where the serious work happens. A wise man once said that the legal fundament of your home is much more important than its concrete foundations. And he wasn't wrong. Make sure the property is legally clear. A good lawyer, for example, will verify ownership, who really owns the property. They'll check for legal debts or issues. You don't want any surprises here. Confirm permits and paperwork. They'll also do that for you, and they'll make sure everything is in order. Skipping this could cost you big in the future, so don't cut corners. Next, step 6, signing a preliminary purchase agreement. What is that? This is called a PPA, and it outlines the agreed price, payment terms, and deadlines and conditions, like if the furniture will stay. When you sign this document, the PPA, you'll be asked to pay a deposit. That will then remove the property from the market. But remember, the deal is not done yet. The official purchase happens later. Next is step 7, signing a power of attorney, also called a POA. If you're not in Greece for the deal, you'll need to sign a power of attorney. This allows your lawyer to act on your behalf before, during, and after the property transfer, keeping the process moving while you're miles away. It saves you a few trips to Greece just to put a simple signature on a piece of paper. Step 8 is to get a Greek tax number, also known as an affimi. To buy property in Greece, you need one of these Greek tax numbers. It's very easy to get. Your lawyer will help you, and you'll need a valid ID. You'll need to fill out an application or have your lawyer do it for you. And if you're not a Greek resident, you'll also need a tax representative. At our company, for example, we have an in-house legal team that takes care of these processes. It's one less thing to worry about. Now, the exciting part, step 9, signing the purchase deed with a notary. Here's the big moment. The official signing happens with a notary public in Greece. Before you sign, you'll pay the transfer tax, and once that's done, you'll sign the final purchase deed. That's it. Congratulations. You're now the proud owner of a property in Greece. There's one more step though, important one. Step 10, completing the payment. To complete the payment in Greece, there's no escrow. You'll pay the seller directly from your bank account to theirs. Once the money is transferred and the deed is filed with the Greek cadastre, you're officially done. Boom. You own a home in Greece. It's time to start practicing your kalimera. That means good morning. If you want more details, check out the link in the description for our full guide. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more insider tips about buying property in Greece. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.